Hi, welcome to Fun with Flags series. In today's episode, I will present to you the flags of all dependent territories. Territories of Denmark. Faroe Islands. Greenland. Territories of France. Clipperton Island. French Guiana. French Polynesia. French Southern and Antarctic Territories. Guadeloupe. Martinique. Mayotte. New Caledonia. Réunion. Saint Barthélemy. Saint Martin. Saint Pierre and Miquelon. Wallis and Futuna. Territories of Netherlands. Aruba. Bonaire. Curaçao. Saba. Saint Eustatius. Saint Martin. Territories of Norway. Bouvet Island. Jan Mayen. Svalbard. Territories of United Kingdom. Akrotiri. Anguilla. Ascension. Bermuda. British Indian Ocean Territory. British Virgin Islands. Cayman Islands. Deucalion. Falkland Islands. Gibraltar. Guernsey. Isle of Man. Jersey. Montserrat. Pitcairn Islands. St. Helena. South Georgia and the South Sandwich Islands. Tristan da Cunha. Turks and Caicos Islands. Territories of Australia. Ashmore and Cartier Islands. Christmas Island, Cocos, Keeling, Islands, Coral Sea Islands, Hurt Island and McDonald Islands, Norfolk Island, Territories of New Zealand, Cook Islands, Niue, Tokelau, Territories of United States, American Samoa, Baker, Guam, Howland, Jarvis, Johnston, Kingman, Midway, Navassa, Northern Mariana Islands, Palmyra, Puerto Rico, United States Virgin Islands, Wake. It's time for bonus. Territorial claims in Antarctica. Adélie Land, France. Peter I Island, Norway. Queen Maud Land, Norway. British Antarctic Territory. Ross Dependency, New Zealand. Argentine Antarctica. Chilean Antarctic Territory. Australian Antarctic Territory. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It doesn't cost anything and it motivates us to create more content for you. Also, check out our other videos.